water carryover in the oil, second stage separator, and process subject. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Increase of water level. Increase of water level in the process separator.
The inlet liquid line size is
Increase of water level.
that means the finally.
Yes, finally. But this is the immediate. This is this is the first step.
Stage separator. Okay. Okay, guys. So what is operator action? Operator has to investigate a high level of water.
Good, great. He's 26.
Welcome, everybody.
Okay, guys, let us focus because we don't have much time. What is the response time? Once you get high level alarm in the water side, I think you have more than half an hour, right? No problem, no major problem.
Which one?
Even one. If you get water level high alarm, how much time you have operator to respond?
We don't have much time. How much do we have?
2.6.
2.6 only from high to high, right?
2.6 minute.
Yeah, minutes only.
6
Yeah.
minutes.
See, as I said, based on the criteria, we are only being asked to prepare to have 1 minute or 120. What is the 200 mm height?
Okay.
Sorry,
So
100.
but here severity will be less. I will say, let us consider 5 minutes, but severity will be less.
Okay.
This is a process.
Severity you can verify, you can check the ASAP, yes.
Severity,
You can check the ASAP, yeah, correct.
Yes.
Don't conflict with that ASAP, please.
No. They are saying, see, they have taken, I mean, a different action, but they have considered financial too. Financial too, and this B. I would say that financial is 1, not 2. The reason is because if the water
we
is
cannot
going,
modify the ASAP again, please.
No,
I don't want to change it. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Guru, I agree with you. I will explain my view. Then you please instruct me. What I'm saying that if water level goes high in first stage separator, water will go in the oil line, and then it will go to the second stage separator. There is no major concern.
Major concern is, see, for example, my interface level is disturbed. Then I'm sending the off-spec crude to the second separator.
No. Second separator we are sending, but it will not create a major issue, even financial impact, because